Hello, everyone around the world. Yeah, it's quite cold today. Huh? Very cold. Low temperatures outside. So today we have a laptop to fix. This laptop is coming from a very regular customer. Uh, that the laptop is an HP ProBook. HP ProBook 6570B. That's the model of this ProBook that came in for repair. The owner phoned me. He said the laptop just went off. Yeah, you don't have a clear explanation of what really transpired here. So we have to fix this. Let's see. We need an HP adapter, big pin. Let's plug into the power supply and see if we can see what's going on here. Okay. Power supply plugged. 4.5, 4.24, and it's taking 3.4 amps. Huh? There's voltage drop from 19 volts to 4.10 volts, and it's taking max current, which is 3.4 amps. I explained this thing many times, so we don't want to waste time. If you see something like this, that means something is shorted to ground. Can be on the main 19 volts power line or on the 3.3 volts always on. But something is shorting the 19 volts to ground. Can be a MOSFET, capacitor, can be anything. So what can be the problem here? Let's check out the battery. I want to plug the power supply without the battery. No, same thing. You can see? Same thing. Clearly we can't power on this laptop. How do I take out the back cover? I never fixed this model. Okay. Like this. Maybe this could come out. Yeah. Even if we take this thing out, we don't have access to the motherboard. We don't have access to the motherboard. This is an i5 odd gen processor. It's an i5. You can see here. i5 processor. Okay. So, we have to take out all the screws. RAM slot, processor, BIOS, battery, that is CMOS. Okay. What is that? Huh? I think I've seen something. What is that? Okay. What is that? That's a blown up capacitor. Is this not our problem? Huh? We know sometimes visual inspection is very important. Is this not our problem? This one? Okay. What I want to do, the multimeter is on the screen. Let's check for those capacitors. Here. 0, 0. But I suspect the first one. I suspect the first one. This one. This is a bad capacitor. This is a blown up capacitor. Why should I waste time to check other things if the problem is visible? Huh? What's the reason for wasting time if I can spot the problem with my naked eyes. There's no need to complicate the job. Because obviously we have too many jobs, we have to go to the next job. So there's no reason for me to complicate this repair. What I want to do, I want to take out that first capacitor and check for short. Come on, you capacitor. Your time is over. Okay. The capacitor is out. Replacing the capacitor. No, we are not going to do that because even on the next power supply, we have those ceramic capacitors on the input of every switching power supply. And the short is gone. As you can see, no more short again. So even if we don't replace the capacitor, we still have a working motherboard because on the input of every switching power supply, we have those ceramic capacitor to prevent spike or not to modulate another power supply. So I think we are safe here. I think we are safe. So can we test? Can we test? This board is too hot. But I think we can test. That was a lucky case. Just to find the problem without taking out the motherboard. Obvious shorts to ground, they are easy to fix. But I hate stripping old laptops. Too many screws. Taking 1 amp, 800. The motherboard just come by its own. Huh? Any picture? Let's wait for picture. Fan is spinning 900. Check here. It's taking 900. What about picture? Huh? Where's picture? So you don't have picture? Okay. Let's play with the RAM memory. I'll take this one here. I'll plug in again the charger. 16 milliamps, power on. 1.1. 900 milliamps, 800. I'm still waiting for picture. Now taking one 900. What about picture? Hmm? I thought it's done. I thought it's done. Hmm? Fan is spinning at full speed and you don't have picture. Lo. Huh? These old laptops. Huh? These old laptops. One more time. Maybe what current do you have? Let's see. Maybe we need to increase the current. 3.8. Let's see now. On 1.1. 890. Huh? Fan increase speed. Now taking 1 amp. So we managed to fix one problem and now we are left with another problem. The laptop doesn't have display. What I want to check the RAM voltage. We can check the laptop is still on. What voltage do we have on the RAM? This multimeter is not working. Huh? No, this is a dead multimeter. So why this laptop is not displaying? Huh? Why this laptop is not displaying? What I want to do, we have to move forward. If it's not displaying, it means it's not displaying because of something else. Power on. It is on, as you can see here, but still have nothing on the screen. What I can check, let's check some voltages. Let's check the processor power supply, 1.2 volts. What about the GPU? 0.9 volts. RAM power supply, 1.5 volts for the RAM. Here we have another power supply, 1.5 here. That's 3.3. So what can be faulty? All the power supplies, they are on, but what I suspect on this model, especially on this old model of laptop, I think something's wrong with the GPU. I think something's not right with the GPU. Let's try to see what you can do here just to have picture. You can see that tells us a lot. Check here. Check the thermal paste. This is like a rock, dried long ago. So it's very possible that the GPU died due to high temperature. So what we can do on a dead GPU, what we can do, what we can do on a dead GPU, that's the one here. What we can do, I don't want to open this, but I just want to do some slight modification here. I just want to do some slight modification just to get access to the GPU without opening this. We have this plastic thing like this. Now we now have access to the GPU. How we are fixing this? Alright, better. How we can fix this kind of fault? Because I think the GPU died due to overheating. So what we are doing here, if you want to do reballing, you can do reballing. But what we are doing here is just a temporary solution to have display. Full air. Good. Good. Now what we need to do, we need to put thermal paste here very fast. And yeah, the GPU is still getting very hot. Thermal paste. This will help to take heat out of the GPU and the processor. I'm sure the problem is now solved. Obvious, temporary. Obvious, this is not a permanent solution. Yeah, the chip is still very hot. Still very hot. Let's see now. Let's see now. Power supply plugged 17, 20 milliamps, 21, power on, 1.1. And we have picture. Check the picture. And it's loading Windows. Huh? So that was a 40 GPU. Huh? Huh? So if you have this model, this is HP ProBook. HP ProBook 6570B. If you have such kind of problem of no display, in most cases, these are some kind of old laptops. During those days, laptops were proper made. You can't have like BIOS things. I never found BIOS things on this model of laptop, old laptops. Like a corrupt firmware from the BIOS chip. It's working fine. You see? It's working fine. There's no user password there. The touchpad is working. Everything is working. So yeah, that was the job. I'm happy. I managed to help the customer. Let me close up this. I don't want even to see this laptop close to me because the mission is over. Where's the back cover? Here. That's the back cover. So on the issue of the GPU, the laptop can work for 2 days, can work for 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, depending with the stage at which the graphic chip is about to die. This is not a permanent solution. What we have done here is just a temporary way of solving the problem. On. And the laptop is working fine. Huh? So, yeah, that was the job. So, like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also, share our videos to beloved friends and relatives. And see you on the next one. Bye.